Hi everyone, welcome back to Room and Talks. How you doing? Hope you're good. Hope you're great. So today we're going to be talking about a very important conversation in our everyday life, which is shrinking yourself around other people so they may like you. Dimming your own light so people can like you. I think we've all been there. I think we've done that a lot of times. And I think age and over time, we learn that that doesn't cut it. While there are people still struggling with this, that is why we're here today to talk about that. So let me tell you something. So you feel like shrinking yourself will make people like you, dimming your light will make people respect you. No, that doesn't work like that. People would not respect you when you. Every time you shrink yourself to make other people comfortable, you lose a little bit of respect every time, little by little, and eventually you lose all the respect that they have for you, because you're dimming your light, you're shrinking yourself because you want to fit in their circle. You don't want to offend anybody. You want to be like, oh, I don't want them to feel like I'm doing too much. You shrink yourself. My darling, you're losing your respect. People respect strength, not fear. No. And timidity signals that you don't even know your own value. You don't know your worth. Yes. I mean, you might say that, oh, I'm not timid, but that is how they look at you. That's how you have portrayed yourself to them without knowing unintentionally. You have done that. Now they see you as someone who is, you're just there. And have you ever noticed that people in that circle that you are, people who are bold with these people who talk back at them, people who are bold around them, people who are their full potential when they're around these people, they respect those people more than they do to you. You that you feel like you're very nice to them, you're very accommodating, you respect them, you don't want to say anything. They say things you don't like, you smile it off. They do things you don't like, oh, you wave it off. It's okay. But those people who is very outspoken around them, you're looking at them like, I don't ever talk to this person like this. So look at the way this person is talking. And yet they are okay. They are cool with that person. Yes. But you feel like you're respecting them, they don't respect you. You've lost your respect because you've made yourself so small around them. Now they feel like, oh, they don't count you as anything. You're just there. You're just a non-factor to them. Yep. There's a difference between being humble and playing small. One builds your respect, the other one kills it. And I think you know which is which. You can be humble, but yet you can be very confident. Let your confidence is loud. Let your confidence be loud, but you're very quiet. But when you go in a room or when people see you, your confidence it's top notch. Yet you're very respectful. You don't have to dim your light for people to like you. No, talking from experience, people will not like you. They will not respect you. Actually, you've made them start disrespecting because you want to fit in their circle. You want to be, oh, I want them to like me. I want them to call me a good person. They will not. You've actually lost your respect the moment you dim your light. That is it. All done. Respect is not demanded. It is commanded by the way you carry yourself. Yes, so stop shrinking yourself for people to like you. Stop dimming your light. Be your full self. If you're a beautiful woman, please carry that beauty on your head. Show it. If confidence, let it build confidence in you. Don't shrink yourself because, oh, I don't want them to feel like I'm doing too much. You can be very humble, but yet confident. You're very humble. Not that you're making other people less of themselves, but you know your worth. You know yourself. So carry yourself the way you want them to carry you. Respect yourself. The world does not benefit from a timid you. Oh, please, be bold, be assertive, be who you are. Yes, please. So stop dimming your light for people to, people are not going to respect you. Talking from experience. People, you think you're doing a good thing. You think you're being humble around them. You think you're being humble. You just want to like, oh, I don't want them to feel like I'm doing too much. No, my dear, they're losing respect for you because when they say things that you don't like, You take it in. You don't say anything. You don't be like, oh, oh, please, I don't like that. You're taking it in because you don't want to have any altercation with them. You don't want to stop them in their tracks. You want them to like you. It doesn't work that way, okay? All right, guys. Thank you for watching today's episode. Put your opinions in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next week.